The Strengths of Quasi-Experiments by c.hloe and Rue, on Scenario 1. What is a #quasi-experiment? A quasi-experiment is an experiment where the independent variable is natural and can be conducted in a field or lab environment. Scenario 1. Quasi-experiment. A researcher wanted to see if there was a difference in memory recall of eyewitness to a crime when people have been frightened compared with when they haven't been frightened. #advantage of quasi/natural experiments. They enable researchers to investigate variables that could not be practically or ethically manipulated. For example, for an experiment on autism, you can't give people autism or take it away. And if you could, that probably isn't ethical. So, to make it more ethical and practical, you'd organize groups of participants into autistic and non-autistic, allowing you to compare. Explain why it is an advantage to conduct Scenario 1 as a quasi-experiment model. Answer. One advantage of conducting Scenario 1 as a quasi-experiment is that participants will not be practically or ethically manipulated. Because the participants were witnessing the crime naturally and weren't placed in the situation artificially. It isn't necessary to make the participants feel fear, and therefore the research is more practical and ethical. Because ethics is increased, the experiment is more reliable as it can be repeated with consistent results. Being scary to participants is generally a no-go. Let's avoid that. Thanks for reading/watching.